90mm. Any deeper there won't be enough resin, any shallower the bolt won't go in enough. On choke. Obviously drill just up to the mark, yeah? I presume you'll be able to take all that noise off. Drilling. Yeah. Then the thing here is more important than the regular studs to clean it well with the Blush Pro. Brushing and blowing. You ready? Pop. The manufacturers say 3 full cycles on some of the bolts, others are a bit more lax and just go brush blow or clean. It doesn't matter if it's wet, the hole, I can drill on a rainy day. These capsules are designed for systems where they can wash it out as well to get the dirt out, not just blowing. So if it's damp, you don't have to worry about it. And the crucial thing with the capsule is to check that it actually moves inside it. So when it's warm in your hand, it should just slowly move down. You won't see it that clear, but if it don't move, it means the capsule's naff. So basically that's a 12mm hole, 90mm deep. It needs to be 90 for the bolt anyway, and the minimum for these is 90, so it's pretty all convenient. This is 11mm capsule, so by the time you put the 10mm bolt in, there's only 1mm either side of the hole for the resin to go up, so you can't just hammer it in one go. Homemade washer and milk carton. Yeah? The next thing is insert the capsule with the on this make on the round end out. Yeah, the round end out, and when it's pushed in it should be just 5mm or so in. If it keeps going, you've obviously hit a big hole. Right, so then next thing is to get the bolt in. Now rather than use a metal hammer, using a rubber hammer, the reason is the stainless steel bolt, metal hammer, you get metal particles being embedded in the stainless, they rust, and that creates weakness, and that rust slowly worms its way into the stainless, so creating a weakness. So if you don't use a metal hammer, you don't have that problem. So long term it's worth it. Now although the instructions say bang it in and turn it 10 times on Petzl and Fixie, it ain't like that. It's a matter of banging it in And you can see it's only gone in less than halfway. Turn it a few times, pull it out, and next time see it goes in a bit further. Basically that resin's got, and all the aggregate in the capsule's got to come up the sides of the bolt. That washer thing will help with steep overhanging rock as well. You could tape it on with a bit of gaffer tape. Just about there. And then just check that the weld is upwards. You got the strength of the bolt. And you can see that the resin's all the way around the eye of the bolt then, so you know enough's coming out to surface. Then just cut off the washer and use the corner of it to smooth it down. Tidy it off. Then make sure it's straight, or the angle it needs to be for the anticipated load. 5 minutes, isn't it? Not that bad. I mean, it's a bit longer than the through bolt and the spanner, but you'd have to worry. It's not going to spin.
Yeah.
You're not going to have a spinner. You're not going to overload it, underload it. Nobody can nick the hanger. So, you know, and it's definitely less hassle than the old gun system, which got all that wastage in the nozzles, all the hassle of it dripping down your leg when you don't release the pressure capsule, and you don't really need gloves on, not a lot. 60 odd pence, but virtually guaranteed. One bolt, one capsule. If the resin doesn't come spludging out to the surface, it means there's a hole. So the only options are to pull the bolt out, put a new capsule in, and let until it does squelch out, or drill another hole because there's basically a cavity.